Okay, we're starting with a just a 15 thousandths cleanup cut, and we've got a much longer stroke than we were running before, so that puts a little more load on the machine also. So just want to see what this is going to do first. So far it's looking pretty good. I've got our roughing tool in there, and I've kicked it over just a little bit more to give it a little bit better approach angle. Hopefully that'll keep the chatter down a little bit. So far it's looking good. This is just a block of mild steel. I think it's hot rolled. It was out of my scrap pile. I had to do a lot of cleanup on it. It was pretty rusty. Almost forgot to turn the camera back on. Looks like it's going to clean up nicely. Getting down through all that rust layer and gunk. That cleaned up nicely. I've reset for 25 thousandths depth of cut. Let's see how far we can push the limit. I'm going to keep my hand on the kill switch just in case. Oh, helps to engage the feed. Well, she's getting her done. I did touch up that tool bit on the hone, so it's nice and sharp. And I've got some hopefully better lighting set up here. I know it's kind of dark over here in this corner. Well, we're making smoke.
The 10,000 step over, I think I mentioned that before.
The finish isn't bad considering how much we're taking off. Okay, I had to open the garage door. We're getting filled up with smoke in here. All right, I'm gonna try 40 thousandths. We're gonna, this might be a disaster, but we're gonna go for it. I'm gonna keep my hand on the kill switch, just like the other one. Wow. I think that's the limit. I don't think I would push it this hard for normal use, but nice to get a feel for what it can do. Okay, well, that looks pretty good, guys. Man, pretty impressive for a little machine. Let me clean this up and we'll meet you back over at the bench. All right, so got it deburred and cleaned off a little bit. So our finish is nice. It's weird though, it's kind of like shark skin. It's got a directional to it, so if you go this way it's smooth, you try to go backwards and it's you know, it's grabby going back that way. Interesting. And we picked up this pattern again that we were getting originally with our first cuts. It wasn't doing that on the first two passes, so I would love to know why that happens. I even checked the gibs on the downfeed to make sure they're still nice and snug. I checked the clapper box. I thought maybe a chip got in there or something. Everything looks good. So I think it's just a chatter is my best guess. You know, as the tool starts to make the cut and then it smooths out, for lack of anything else. But if anybody knows why that happens, yeah, please let me know. I'd sure like to know what's going on there. Luckily, it doesn't happen on the lighter or more normal cuts. Our tool bit held up nicely. I mean, there's no chips or damage that I can see. I mean, we got a little bit of coloration just from the force on it. I'm guessing, and a lot of that is also so when I was honing, because this has a kind of a hollow ground, and the hone, you can see here the hone only touches the outer edges. So yeah, overall, well, it handled a pretty heavy cut. And like I was saying, I don't think I would do more than that normally, or even that much. No reason to push the machine that hard, but it's nice to know what it can do. We've been getting a ton of rain here. It's just been relentless, which I'm not complaining because we really need it. We've just coming out of 3 years of drought. So hopefully that's a good thing, and we'll kind of get back to normal. I mean, we've been having to conserve water every year, so. All right, we're getting into the holiday season here. Christmas is coming up. So I'm not sure if I'll get another one of these out next Monday. We'll just kind of play it by ear, but we'll see what happens. And thanks everybody for sticking with this, and give a thumbs up if you can, please. And thank you to anybody who's subscribing. And if I don't get another video up, everybody have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, and we will see you soon. Thanks a lot.